Dying to see if they got that clearance sale. The answer is yes, but so this along with another pair, 60 bucks. Wait, look at this, Yeezys take an additional 50% off. And then the Quantums, these are $40. Importantly, they're having their semi-annual event. Like these Project Rock 5s right here, $75. And in the women's section deal gets even better, 70% off. Got to hit up the Adidas outlet out at Camarillo. Dying to see if they got that clearance sale on the back wall, 4 for $100. And the answer is yes, but everything's gone. Holy crap, that's it. And even when it sucks, look at this. 10.5 Ultra Boost lights. Yeah, man, color's not there and the upper's kind of ugly, but that ridiculous price though, And we didn't make sure that they have that little sticker on it. Yep. So this along with another pair, 60 bucks, 2 for 60. I was like, I have been looking for some basketball shoes, but these are size 15 of the Dame 8s. Dude got a huge size of these Superstars. These are the Arizona Iced Teas. Got some NMDs. These are size 13. Another one right here too. Size 14. So 2 pair of Ultra Boost for $60. These are a Solar Glide. Solar-thon right here. These are very similar to the Ultra Boost right here. Get 2 of these for $60. This is size 12 right here. Got some Ultra Boost right here as well. These are 1.0s. 1.0s. What size are these? These are size 4.5. Dang, if it was size 4, I would have grabbed them. Would grab them for a friend of mine. Oh, this is a size 5 US. Dang it. Wait, look at this. Yeezys take an additional 50% off. So is that another 50 off of this? Or is that, it says final price though. Oh, okay. So yeah, $30 for these. They only have size 4s. And then the Quantums, these are $40. They're not running shoes, what the hell? But yeah, they got Quantums. They got regular sizes on these. 700 down to $30. They only have up to size 6.5. Oh no, size 4. That's a Quantum right there, the 6.5. And then the Quantums up there, they got up to a size 7.5 on those. So for those, I think, oh, they do have all kinds of sizes. So $30 Yeezys, holy cow, $30 Yeezys. Trying on these Quantums because I have been looking for basketball shoes, and cushion's okay. It's better than my Chaos right there, my Why Not 0.1s, but they feel they don't feel that great. Definitely don't see myself playing hoops in these. But $40, are you serious? 40 bucks? Talking to one of the workers, and yeah, he was telling me there was a reseller that did come and buy a ton. For $30 though, $30, 380s. I probably would have bought one of those if they had my size, to be really honest. But yeah, not bad. Cheapest Yeezy price we've ever seen. And these videos take a while to get to you guys. So hopefully you guys are paying attention to my shorts. I'm going to release a short in a couple minutes right after I'm done looking around here. But yeah, we're checking out the women's clearance section now. Got NMDs right here, go for $80. Got this one with the cow print on the bottom. This one's pretty nice, actually. Thought it'd be cheesy looking, but they're not bad. $50. $50. But 2 for $60. They got these Ultra Boost right here. What's up with these Ultra Boost? It's a men's 10 right here. A men's 10. Dang, dude, if this didn't have all that hearts and stuff on the top, I would definitely grab them. Dang it. Got some more NMDs right here in a cream color. These, what are these? These are men's? Is it men's 10 or women's 10? I don't know. All kinds of NMDs in the women's. Got these clog thingies. I saw someone try one on yesterday. They said it was super comfy. A Stan Mule, Adidas foam Stan Mules. But yeah, not too much in the women's. Got some Ultra Boost 1.0s right here. And these are size 5.5 in the women's section. That's what's up. I think the Yeezys are what separate this place from the other outlets. Yeah, I didn't find a second pair, so I'm gonna throw this back. I don't really need a super red one. Would match my Niner stuff, but yeah, I'm gonna throw them back. I'm just buying too much. Bought too much this past week or two. The homie balling on a budget sent me pictures of some crazy stuff. Let's see if I can find anything like that. I'm always like, what did I miss out on though? What did I miss out on? Should I have come here before Nike? So I chose Nike at 10 a.m. and then I chose this spot after. Dang nabbit, 120. And then you get another 50 off, so $60 Ultra Boost lights. 75 for those. Seems like all of them are going for 75. They got interesting sizes, size 10, 11s. Bigger sizes for these as well. Up to size 9.5 on these. White going for 60 bucks, only up to size 6.5 or 7.5 though. And then 4Ds go for 120. Trying to see if I missed out on anything right there and right there. Dang it. Just they rarely ever have empty shelves like that. Checking out the women's. Not really seeing anything crazy. Checking out the men's section. They got some of the 1.0s right here. Okay, those are going for what, $70? So 140, 50 off, so 70 bucks, plenty of sizes. But nothing really crazy, nothing crazy like they're seeing in Orlando. And no basketball shoes, what the heck? I don't see any basketball shoes here. And people are trying to say they're taking over Nike? I don't see it, I don't see it. So there's a sign that says 50% off store wide. And that does include a lot of the apparel. A lot of the apparel. Got tons and tons of soccer jerseys if that's what you guys are into. FC Bear, the Galaxy right there. And it includes all this stuff because it doesn't say excluded. But they got a lot of stuff. A lot of jerseys. And when it's not included, you see a huge sign right there. And this is... Who's this? Is this, what's his face? That's Miami, right? It is Messi. What the hell am I talking about? Yeah. Inter Miami, right? Inter Miami. But yeah, these are not included. Argentina, also not included right here, it looks like. Yeah, these are going for 100 bucks. But for Mexico right here, it is included. Mexico replica jersey, so $50 for those. And what is this? Oh, got a Mexico long sleeve jersey when it's cold. So it has padding on the back and stuff. Not bad. 160, 50 off. Got tons and tons of t-shirts that's at least 50% off, if not more. But yeah, just got a bunch of t-shirts and stuff. Also polos. 60% off slacks right here. So $70 for the golf slacks and then another 60 off. Got these khakis right here. These look like slightly different material. $100 and 60 off. Got a Jamaica team jersey right here. I think these are the $100 ones. Yeah, the $100 replicas. The jumpsuits not included, but $40 jackets it looks like. Normally $55. Also got them in blue as well. Do got a Pro Image and they have a nice little clearance section. See if they've dropped any of the prices. Plenty of football jerseys. Got baseball in the back. Then basketball and baseball on the left side right here. Got some kids football jerseys. And this is nice, dude. I've never seen this one. Nice little hoodie right here. It's a really thin one though. It's a thin Nike 115. This one's pretty nice too. Like a thin dry fit material or something, but yeah, 120 for those. This is what I want to focus on. Got a nice little clearance section. They had a bunch of Lakers jerseys last time. I don't really see any. Were they all cleaned out? Dang, dude. Got Messi jerseys right here, going for 60 bucks. That's way better than Adidas. Chargers hoodies right here, going for $40. I think that's, oh, it's a Fanatics hoodie. Angels Nike hoodie right here. It says 85, but I'm sure it's on sale. This one marked? No, that one's not marked either. Got Raiders shirts right here. Raiders, $20. Looks like Mexican League. Mexican Baseball League. Sinaloa. Okay, I think so. I think so. What they go for? $80 for those jerseys. Got Kings hoodies right here. Got a Cowboys shirt, double XL. Doesn't have a price, but do got, what are these, Fanatics jackets? Kings jackets. And I guess they're going for $45, normally $90. And they still do have plenty of Laker stuff on the other rack, but that means the prices haven't really gone down. That's what that means. 65, yeah, the D-Fish MPLS jersey right here. Then got the classic jerseys. We got Sabalos right here. Got Odom. We got varying sizes, of course. Nick Van Exel. I saw Eddie Jones as well. They're all going for 65 bucks. Of course, sizing definitely going to be an issue. Some double XL sizes. Got large. Got medium. Yeah, it looks like medium and on. That's what it looks like. And then also got these UCLA Jacques Jr. I don't really know who that is. 65 for that one. Got some Red Sox merch right here, going for $70. Seattle Mariner blank jerseys going for $100. Is that Ken Griffey? I don't know. I don't know baseball, dude. I don't know baseball. I actually don't know sports. I'm not great with numbers and stuff. I don't know all the jersey numbers and stuff. But it is what it is. But yeah, I do got a Giants one right here, authentic, going for $100. Triple XL Yankees going for $70, and then got a Mitchell and S Angels jersey, right? Angels pullover warm up. I don't know, $70. They got some kids. Is this kids or is this adults? Oh no, these are adult jerseys. Mike Evans going for $50. Also got Mac Jones, who's not there anymore. That was their middle linebacker, right? That was their middle linebacker for quite some time. 160 though. Derrick Henry going for $50. If you're a Titans fan, I feel like you can wear Derrick Henry though, right? Because he's like an all-timer there, right? All-timer. I don't know about the Jones, and they got a bunch of Kings hoodies right here going for $45. And they got Rams gear, $40 for Rams hoodies. These are Nikes. They're Nikes, so that's not bad. Not bad. They got 2 clearance racks, definitely worth checking. Go see what's up at Under Armour as well. Importantly, they're having their semi-annual event. It's like a clearance sale. What the hell is that? What is that? I'm gonna check the clearance wall back here. God dang, they give you no room. They don't give you no room, huh? God dang. Get 60% off the lowest ticketed price. So these Project Rock BSRs, the budget Project Rock, going for $95, $60 off. $155. And these are the Curry, which one? The Curry 9s right here. And then also got these Project Rock 4s. So, like what, $50 for these? $110, $60 off on top. More Curry 9s right here, going for $155, $60 off. Selection in the back's definitely getting better. Size 14. Project Rock 4s right here, $140. Some of the Phantom 2s right here, going for $135. $110 for the size 11 Project Rock right here. These are the Project Rock 4s. So the actual March price is pretty mediocre, but the 60% off makes it worth it. Project Rock 4s. Seen this colorway right here in a bunch of sizes. Size 14, 11 and a half, 12s right here. I'll go for $100. So $40 after the saving. Project Rock 4s though. And they got more and more right here as well. Some Project Rock. Why do they have so many of the 4s, man? Man, dude. 110 right here. So is that 55 or something? Or 65, my bad. It's like 65. I could have gone with the Project Rock for my gym shoe, but I guess I went with the Metcons. Like I said, they do have the semi-annual sales event. So it looks like most of the stuff in the aisles are pretty well priced. Like these Project Rock 5s right here, $75. Definitely a steal at that price. I remember when Project Rock was like impossible to even get. Kind of like the Ultra Boost, right? They were impossible to get at the beginning. Now we are seeing them on sale, which is a good thing. I'm not a big fan of all the hype and stuff. I'd rather just get stuff I want. For sale prices, for the low, that is, for the low, man, $75 for all these Project Rock 5s. You can pay a little bit less, get these BSRs, which are the budget version of the Project Rock. These are the BSRs 2s. Those are down to $59. I got a blue option right here. These look way more budgety, dude. Just pay a few more dollars to get the get the regular Project Rock. They're only $16 more. They have a bunch of other training and running shoes, but I'm not really too familiar with stuff. But they got some low prices. $29 for that budget option right there. $39 for all this stuff. Their boots, they don't get the semi-annual clearance sale prices, but at least you get an additional 20% off of $135. And they got a few different boots, tactical wear, whatever the hell you call these things. But yeah, these are 20% off $130. They got the Geminis right here. These are going for $60. These are some of the running shoes. Normally $100, so $60, not bad. Got the Sonics going for $60. The Machinas going for $70. The Mega, is this their max cushion running shoe? $135 normally, down to $50. $135 down to $50. These are down to $60. Got a couple more for $70 over here. I do got the Phantoms right here, the Phantom SE. I think these are the Reflect, so they got some reflective stuff on there. Okay. So if you go running at night, $75. These retail for $150, so 50% off. They got a couple different ones of those, and then they got the regular Phantom 3s right here. And these are primarily running shoes, $75, not too bad, 50% off. And in the women's section, even cheaper, $70 or $69. Very, very limited sizing though. For the pink ones, they got 6s, they got 8s, and then 6.5, 9.5. And then in the, what's that green one right there? They got a few sizes, 9, 9.5, 8.5. So just bigger sizes for the green ones. And they got the Machina 3s for $70 in the women's. For intake 6s, just like a bunch of generic stuff over here. The Project Rock for the kids right here, $60. All black, $60. These are the Project Rock 5s. Okay, and then finally found the Currys. These are in the kids though, $75. They're the budget Currys right here, the 3 Z7s. Then got a few more over here. I don't see any signature Currys. They had a bunch at Citadel. That's interesting. That's interesting. Got 60% off t-shirts right here. $19 graphic tees. Some of their jackets get 60% off. 60% off, $50. These are really thin though. Wonder if you get 50 off of that too, or 60 off. They got workout shorts right here. These running shorts. These look like running shorts. 60% off of these. $50, so 60% off of that. $30. I feel like they've always had pretty good sales on a lot of their workout stuff. Got the dry fit long sleeve tees, 60% off of $45. Then in the women's section, deal gets even better, 70% off. Their jackets right here, the jacket, $115, 70% off. Lights right here going for 70 off. And Project Rock booty shorts right here, 70% off of this. This is pretty dope. I don't see a price tag on that, but whatever it is, it's 70 freaking percent off, so not gonna be expensive. Okay, 45, so 70% off of that. That's like 15 bucks, dude. And they got bras and stuff like that. Like I said, I feel kind of pervy going through this. $35 for sports bras, $30 for that one, and then you get another 70 off. Tights and stuff like that going for $12. What the hell? Tank tops going for 70% off. $12 for these tank tops. Isn't that much clothing, so it shouldn't be that expensive anyways. $12 for shorts. Not bad if you're a fan of Under Armour. Definitely worth checking out. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. We out, man. We out.